Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor X8 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, go to contacts and pick the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Then select edit, click on camera icon, and now you can either take a photo or choose something from the gallery. Let me pick some picture from my gallery, for example this one. Now you can tap on confirmation mark and then customize it however you like. Tap on confirmation mark again and for the third time confirm. And that's it, that will be all. From now on this picture is assigned to your contact and you can smoothly see it once this contact is calling you. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.